first red carpet that was like a huge deal to me and really, really special and forever ingrained in my memory is for the Cinderella premiere at Berlin Film Festival. I had this pink crepe silk gown and diamonds, these Jimmy Choo glass slippers. It really is the most precious memory, and I'll forever hold it dear. And I had my family with me. It was really magical. My red carpet essentials usually have to fit into a very small but glamorous handbag, but I love the Airbrush Flawless Finish Air Powder, which is a tongue twister. When you're getting a bit nervous or it's hot in the car, you can just dab it on and sort of perfect and mattify. Whatever lipstick shade I'm wearing, I have to take a little extra in the handbag, and then a Hollywood Glow as well, just to give you that extra shimmer. The best red carpet beauty tip, okay, there's two. One is from Charlotte, and she says that you really have to have a kind of great blank canvas, meaning your skin has to be fresh and alive and moisturized. And obviously I just slather on the magic cream. My other secret is to shove your face in a bucket of ice, or a sink full of ice water, and it just sort of tightens everything. So magic cream and iced water. The process of transformation in the makeup chair is humongous. It can vary, you know, sometimes you want to feel really true to yourself and natural, but other times it's so freeing to really transform. I do it in roles, you know, when I played Pamela Anderson, that was like a 4-hour transformation. I felt I could really hide into the character, and the makeup and the detail and the sculpting was just a work of art. It's fun to do that just with makeup as well, if you're going on a party look, you know, increasing the glow and the lip gloss, and not only become confident but sort of decide who you're going to be for the night, and you can be really playful basically, which I really enjoy. I think it's Metronomy the look. I used to just dance around like a lunatic to that song all the way through my 20s, and then I recently went to Glastonbury and I saw them play and the sun was shining and I danced with my brothers, and I just thought, this is life. So Metronomy. My Hollywood beauty icon is Bridget Bardot in the 50s and 60s, when she just would always have this amazing eyeliner and this incredible blonde hair, and she had incredible fashion sense. My forever Hollywood crush is Montgomery Clift. Just so unbelievably sort of dark and brooding and handsome, amazing actor. And recently for a role, I was watching all these movies from the 1950s with Ava Gardner and Liz Taylor and Richard Burton, and I just got so swept away. Champagne. Comedy. Villain. Glow on Mac Glow, obviously always became very, very hypnotized by Montgomery Clift.